Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you my perspective on Carshield versus Endurance and which is actually better. So the very important thing is that the Endurance operates as the direct provider. They underwrite and administer their contracts, giving you direct customer relationship. But the Carshield, it functions as a broker. So through the American Auto Shield or typical three-party administrators. So meaning the Carshield earns a commission but isn't the backend service provider. So now when we can look here on an entry level plan, they're kind of alright, both, but what I highly recommend to do is go to Trustpilot and check the 1-star reviews, because many times I don't really trust the 5-star reviews. I don't know if they're a scam or no. So this is something that you have to be aware of, that even both on the 1-star reviews, and you see here every single day are negative reviews. And that's something that you have to be aware of, right? Is there a lot of negative reviews on them both, and I can't really say you choose this one, you choose this one, because when you look on the reviews, they both don't have a lot of good stuff. So check the the price for Endurance, check the price for the Carshield. Ask what kind of get their experience in your town, let's say. Because I can't really say that one is better comparing to the other. They get different purpose, but that's pretty much it for both. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video provided value. And have a great day and goodbye.